Good afternoon, fellow air gunners. So, check me out, I'm actually outside. I'm going to do a shooting video for you. And yes, today we have the Desert Eagle by Cybergun 50AE. So, it's about 13 degrees at the minute. It's not ideal, it's a bit cool than I would like, but it's double figures, so I thought, sod it, let's get out and let's do some shooting. So, CO2 is already in there. A little dab of silicone gun oil. I use silicone gun oils and it just prolongs the life of the seals. It's just safer that way. Some people use pelican oil, that's your choice. Even though it says it's for air guns, I would just prefer to use silicone gun oil for seals and then maybe pelican oil for the metal parts. But anyway, there's your CO2 inside, and there is your Allen nut there. There's your provided Allen key. Drop it in this side, tighten it, all sorted, and then put your spring down just to the bottom there. It locks into place, little hole there, and this hole's roughly about 15 steel BBs, 4.5mm or 177 caliber. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing. Yeah, very fiddly these are, very fiddly, but we'll get there in the end. There you are, seen them there. I think I've got enough BBs. Right. Right. And there's your CO2 and BBs in there. Here it is. There you have it. Oh, Desert Eagle. Oh, that sounded good. Let's have a look. A little BB just fell out there. Good start. Right. Right then. Not a very extravagant target for you, but you know, it's a cardboard box. But I think we're just going to plink today. It's not for target shooting. This is, at the end of the day, it's a 4.5mm steel BB air gun. It's just for plinking. Right, let's have it. If you felt the recoil on this, you would be amazed. Jesus. Let me tell you, that is a very, very powerful recoil. Hey, wow. Yes, very powerful indeed. So yeah, there you go. The CO2, the capsule itself's pretty cold at the moment. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stick it in my pocket, warm it up a bit. But it's not doing too bad. It's performing quite well. And there you have it, your last lock back after last shot. Fully locks back as well, not messing around. Very nice. Alright, we'll be back in a moment, just so I can get some more BBs in. Welcome back. So we have our BBs in there. Yeah, we're all good to go. CO2's warmed up a bit. I have heard some horror stories about the hop up on these, but this doesn't seem to be too bad. Bearing in mind I'm just plinking at the box. I'll try and zoom in on that blowback for you. There you go, did you hear that? So I've got 2 full mags out of this. So I shot it earlier. So you could hear the CO2 actually sort of running out there towards the end. And you shouldn't really do this, but And there you go, CO2 done. I know you shouldn't really do that, but to be honest, it's an air gun. So there you go, you see how cold the air CO2 goes? A bit of frost on there. But yeah, so 2 full mags out of this, but I'll tell you something, for an air gun, this is a full metal slide and barrel. Yeah, it's got a polymer lower, but I'll tell you something, Cybergun have done a really good job of this. Full metal slide, full metal barrel, and the blowback, the CO2 this must use for this full blowback and to lock it back is unreal. And I tell you what, it is snappy, very, very snappy. Jesus. What an incredible bit of kit. Actually more than impressed with that. I'll tell you what, if you give me 2 seconds, I will go and grab this box and actually see what the groupings were like. Right, welcome back. Yeah, the grouping was all over the place, but to be fair, I wasn't really aiming and I don't really care, but I'm enjoying just shooting, just plinking the pistol. But as you can see, I've got a nice big mound at the bottom of the garden there, and that absorbs all the BBs anyway. So what we will do, yeah, never mind, don't mind the state of my garden. So taking the CO2 out, it's run out, so we're going to put another one in. There was a tiny little bit left in there, but don't worry about that. Needs to come out a bit more. There you go, squared. Right. So this has been in my pocket, warmed it up a bit. Get your silicone gun oil. Just a little dropper on top. But now you've seen what the recoil's like, what I'm going to do is zoom in onto the target at the bottom of the garden. But what I've done is I've put the target into a box so it catches it all, and we're going to shoot some glass. Random, I know, but I want to see something pop. Ooh, there's your hiss. There you go. In, good to go. There you go, like we did before. In we go. I'm not gonna lie, the way you load this mag's a bit annoying, I'm not gonna lie. There we go. Gotta get right on an angle. Got these so fiddly. Maybe one more. There we go. There we go. Right then. Right, I'm going to zoom in on this target for you now, see if I can actually hit it. Right. Oh, didn't break the glass. Ding! I thought I might have broke that. Ah, never mind. But to be fair, it is hitting it, which isn't too bad. So, yeah, this CO2 is getting pretty cold pretty quickly. Get some more BBs in here. Yeah, that'll do as I think. Oh, there you go. Broken the glass. Nice. Like when I zoomed in on it, it didn't break it. There you go. See the that's getting very cold now. So what I'll do is pause this video again, and I'll get in my pocket and warmed up a bit, and then hopefully we'll get some more glass broken. Hi hi. Yeah, this is still really cold, so I don't know what performance we're going to get from it. Again, not really meant to shoot these in cold weather, but we've got some more. Alright, I'll try and get the blowback in there for you while smashing the target at the bottom. Alright, I don't know if you can, there you go, kind of decimated the glass now. I thought it might go through. But yeah, folks, this is the Desert Eagle from Cybergun. I'll tell you something now, I'm just not even aiming with this properly, I'm just going off sort of the last shot fired. I'm not having any dramas with the aiming or the hop up. But yeah, like I say, I'm not really aiming with it properly. I was just trying to get you to see the blowback on this thing, and it is absolutely incredible. Really punchy, very crisp. And like I say, the amount of CO2 it uses to get this massive metal slide backwards and forwards, I'll tell you something now, it is well worth it. About 2 to 3 full mags maximum, but I reckon I'll get a better performance out of this in spring, summertime. Again, optimum temperature between 20-25 degrees-ish. Because again, you don't want to shoot when they're too hot, because they overperform, and then obviously they underperform in the winter. But folks, I'd get one. Well worth it. Save your pennies and get one. Yeah, that CO2 is absolutely freezing. But again, we'll warm it up and take some more shots with it. But yeah. Well worth it, folks. Take care, like, subscribe, and I'll try and get some more shooting videos out to you of more of my collection. Hopefully the weather stays nice. Happy Christmas.